Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia Sims and I make videos for those interested in the law. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. The title of this video is called A Lawyer Stole From Me, How and Why. And I'm going to talk about that experience. So if you aren't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. It helps the channel out. Press the notification bell if you are interested in the law or learning about the law, and so that you can be notified of any uploads to this channel. So I'm going to try and keep this quite short because my hair is out, and the longer this video goes on, the bigger my hair will get. So for all of those natural haired sisters watching this video, you know what I'm talking about. So let's get started. I have some notes, bullet points, and I'm going to refer to the bullet points so I don't forget anything that I want to say. So let's just talk about what happened. So I have been on a course this week, and the course has been led by Stephanie Perry. She is a YouTuber, a successful YouTuber. She is wonderful. And so I decided that I was going to enroll on her YouTube course. And she told us that we had to do some homework for a particular day. And as part of the homework, I was to research other people on YouTube who were putting out similar content to the content on my channel. So I did that yesterday. Well, what happened? Well, what happened was, in the course of my research, of course, I saw my videos appear on the recommendation list, but I also saw some other videos that I had created, but they weren't on my channel. They were on somebody else's channel. And I thought, wait a minute, this can't be right. And so I got my glasses because obviously I wasn't seeing things. And I wasn't seeing things clearly. I put my glasses on. I looked closer. And yeah, somebody had taken my content or copied my content somehow. And they'd uploaded the content to their own channel. Their channel is about the law. And they had basically taken 6 of my animated videos and uploaded those videos to their channel. So I'm upset just thinking about it. I'm still upset. I only discovered this yesterday and I'm still upset about it. So I'm just going to look at my bullet points to see what I wanted to talk about next. How do I feel? Okay, let's talk about how I feel about it. I genuinely think that I went through some of the stages of grief, because when I saw the videos, 6 of my videos, my animated videos on this person's channel, I didn't believe it at first. I thought, no, this can't be happening. And then I became really angry. And then I became really upset. And I'm still upset. And I think maybe you can hear it in my voice. I'm still really upset about it. And I'll explain why. God, can't believe I'm still upset about it. Okay, so why am I upset? Because it took me a lot to start this YouTube channel. My channel is my baby. It's little, it's bijou, but I love my channel and I love my audience. I love the people who watch my videos. I love the comments. I love engaging with the viewers. I have been involved in the law and legal education for almost 30 years now. And I have accumulated a lot of knowledge and expertise. And I wanted to share that knowledge. For a long time, I wanted to share that knowledge. But I was too afraid to go on social media. I was afraid of judgment, criticism, comments about how I look. And I guess also there was a lack of confidence and a feeling of being an imposter. And I don't think that that is an unusual feeling. I think a lot of women do have imposter syndrome. It's irrational, but that's how I felt. And so for years, I didn't gravitate towards a social media profile. Sorry, oh, gosh. God, I've got lipstick all over my nose now. Sorry. God, I'm going to have some hot Ribena. This is my comfort drink. So, okay, so why was I upset? So it took me a long, long time to muster the courage to start this channel. And initially, I didn't want to appear on the channel because of the judgment and the criticism. And so I started by creating these animated videos, so I wouldn't actually have to appear on my channel. And I spent a long time writing the scripts. I spent a long time looking for actors, looking for animators, directing, producing. It took ages. Not only did it take a lot of time, but it also cost a lot of money, my own money. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm not affiliated to any, product. This is all my own money that I'm giving away for free for people who I think will find the content useful. And so when I saw that this person had stolen my work and put it on their YouTube channel, I was just devastated. Not only did they put it on their YouTube channel, but they passed off the work as being their own. And so this person was able to obscure my logo from the videos that he posted on his channel and superimpose his own logo. And even worse, in the description underneath each of the videos that he'd stolen from me, he actually wrote, in this video, I talk about, I'm still angry, I'm still upset about it. And I know some of you may be thinking, gosh, there's so much happening in the world right now that we really should be upset about. What's happening in Ukraine, what's happening in America, the political situation there, the cost of living crisis. I know, I get it. But this is personal to me. It has upset me. And I just wanted to talk about it. I'm also upset because this is not the first time this has happened. Somebody else attempted to steal creation from me. And it was a lawyer. And the person who's stolen this content, my animated videos, is also a lawyer. And I want to just make it clear that the lawyer who stolen my content is not based in the UK where I'm from. So, okay, what am I going to do about it? So, I have already done something about it. I posted a comment under one of the videos that he had stolen from me. So I posted a comment. Gosh, the hair's getting bigger. I can see it's getting bigger. It's going to obscure my face in a moment. Okay, so I want to get through this quickly. I posted a comment, nice video, good explanation. And I should know because I created the video. I wrote it, I produced it, I directed it. Stop stealing my content. So I posted that. And then the next thing that I did was to contact YouTube. And I filled out a copyright infringement form. And then this morning, I received an email from YouTube informing me that they had taken down from the thief's channel all of the videos that he had stolen from me. That's good, I guess. But I'm still angry. I'm angry because I now no longer know whether I want to create any more animated videos. I'm afraid. I'm afraid of investing time and money into creating content that I want to give away for free to people that will benefit, but I don't want to give it away to people who will profit from it. And so I have this dilemma now. Maybe you can help me. In the comment section, please let me know. Should I carry on? Is it worth it? Should I carry on creating animated content, or should I just stick to, me doing demonstrations and talking about the techniques of cross-examination, for example, using actors? So let me know what you think. But going back to what I said about what I'm doing about it, so I've explained what I've done already. I'm also thinking about reaching out to the lawyer who stole the content, just messaging him, asking him why, and whether or not he feels any remorse. I don't know. What's the point? Really, what is the point? He might not even respond. What can he say? Yeah, I stole your work. I wanted to benefit from it. Is it worth even reaching out? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section. So where am I at now? Oh God, I need my hot Ribena. I am going to continue with the channel because it provides helpful content, and people have reached out to me to tell me how much or how grateful they are for the content. So I am going to continue with it. I am going to be creating more videos more frequently, hopefully. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to continue to do. I'm going to try and grow the channel. I'm going to try and give value to people. I love creating the videos. It's really just a question of whether or not I continue to create animated content. So let's look, is there anything else I want to say? No, I just want to thank Stephanie. So Stephanie Perry, I want to thank you for giving me the courage to make this video. I was umming and erming, but I'm glad, I'm glad I've made this video. I kind of feel like a release. Yeah, I feel a release. Yeah. I feel like this has been therapy. So to all of my therapists watching this, thank you so much for allowing me to vent, rant, offload. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Please help it to grow. Please comment. If I decide to reach out to this person who stole my content, I will post a follow-up video. So press the notification bell to enable you to be notified of when I post that follow-up video. Thank you for listening. Be kind.